Respected dignitaries on the dais, Mr. MP Narayanan, Mr. R.S. Pawar, Mr. Subbarao, Mr. Satyanarayana, and distinguished audience, and also friends and media. I am very happy to be with you, especially this is a very important forum, IGF. Future is for technology, for information technology. IGF is very, very crucial. I am coming from Delhi. Morning, they requested me to address Indian ambassadors and also high commissioners who are all working in different countries. They are all in Delhi. This is the 6th or 7th conference. Now if you see anywhere in the world, everybody is talking about India now. If you go through history also, originally 1947 to 1991, single party domination. But economy-wise, everywhere all over the world, people used to heckle us by saying Hindu development, Hindu growth rate. 1991, the then Prime Minister, Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, has adopted economic reforms because of critical financial conditions. From then onwards, India got recognition. You are all aware, 1994 I became Chief Minister. I started second generation reforms. For that one example I am giving you where we are sitting here. At that time it is a barren land. Then I thought how to develop. Even high-tech city is a dead end. We had a Jubilee Hills. After that there is no road, proper road. Then naturally 94, 95, I had different meetings. How to go about, how to develop Andhra Pradesh, that was my main agenda. Then by seeing all over the world, I consider information technology is one area where India is going to have a bright future. For that also there are reasons. One is Indians are very strong in mathematics. Thanks to British people, they have taken everything, they left English to us. That is the biggest contribution they had done. If you see tomorrow for India, English-speaking people will be the maximum number in India, not in America. We are all thinking America will have maximum English-speaking people. Because of size of population for India, maximum English-speaking people will be in India. That was a deadly combination. Then I created first, like this, we had so many brainstorming sessions. Finally, I conceived high-tech city. Then through L&T, I started that work. Within 15 months, we are able to construct high-tech tower. After that, I moved all over the world. 15 days I spent in America. They are very strong at that time. Then ultimately, I was able to convince even Bill Gates. First development center after Seattle has come to Hyderabad, that is in Cyberabad city. That is how it has come. Even Hyderabad, we had only two cities, Hyderabad and Cyberabad. When Bill Clinton visited Hyderabad, I created a third city, that is Cyberabad. Only to emphasize information technology, I created Cyberabad city. Today, this is the nerve center, and also income generation, employment. If you can see here, Rahija city, mind space we created, 100 acres, 1 lakh employment directly, indirect employment 4 to 5 lakhs. This is the potential we are able to visualize. We have created this type of infrastructure. Where you are sitting here, this is one project, barren land. I want to have convention center. How to create, I have seen all over the world. Then convention center. Next to this, there is a beautiful hotel. And also if you see nearby exhibition centers and also National Construction of Academy. Only few yards from here, there is a metro. This is how we consider. Today, till yesterday, we had a problem of occupancy. Less conventions, more marriages. Today, more conventions, less marriages. We are very happy for that also. That is how things have happened, how things are transformed. Now, it is very nearer to my heart, information technology. At the same time, today, I am playing different role also. Till yesterday, Andhra Pradesh was a combined state. Now, Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated into two states. One is Telangana, one is Andhra Pradesh. New Andhra Pradesh state, I am the Chief Minister now. By seeing all these things, I visualize now which are all the sectors we are having bright future. Now I am telling you, all of you are here. First time, I am also inspired. Why I am saying I promoted India, and also I marketed India, and also I marketed information technology all over the world. Even Pawar is here. He is aware of all these things, but I have done. India got importance all over the world because of not politicians, because of IT professionals. If you go anywhere in the world, our people are doing extraordinary work. Because of that, people recognize us. That is a reality. Today, why I am saying inspiring time. One is in central government, there is a stable government, no coalition anymore. Second one is demographic dividend. Nowhere in the world this type of advantage except India. By another 2020 or some more time, India will be the youngest country in the world. Our average age will be 29, 30 years. This demographic dividend advantage will be there for 2 to 3 decades. No country will catch us. That is the reality. That is the biggest advantage for all of us. Second, technology also is a very big advantage. Another 5 years or 6 years' time, not America in number of software engineers or technical persons, India is going to have maximum number of software professionals or technical professionals. Biggest market. Now, if you see the world also, there are only few countries which are going to compete with India. One is America, and also China and India. These are all the 3 countries according to me. If you see China last quarter, there is a problem. Now they are growing at the rate of 7%. We are able to grow at the rate of 8% now. Even if you grow this rate of this one, America is only 3-4%. So I am very clear, I am having confidence. If you behave well, all of us, by 2050, India will be number 1 in the world. I don't have any doubt about it. It is going to happen. In that, all of us, how we are going to act is very important. For me, I am having new challenges. Always, I am taking crisis into an opportunity. I want to convert it. Now, information technology is one, and at the same time, infrastructure in a big way we want to go. We are having sea coast, that I will tell, but information technology-wise, day one when I took over as CM again, I pursued on Aadhaar account first. Now we are almost all 98% Aadhaar account is over. Now I have synchronized all my welfare beneficiaries I have seeded to the Aadhaar account. By doing all these things, I am able to save so much of money, transparency, accountability. Now I am giving even pensions through biometrics. Any person can go, either fingerprint or iris, I will take. Then real time, wherever is we want to provide. Even we have provided tabs also, we want to provide. So that our person will go to home. They are all old people. They can give pension directly. They can take either iris evidence or otherwise biometrics, that is fingerprints. Now I want to go in a big way, same thing, PDS, welfare schemes, scholarships, you name anything, I want to go all these things through information technology. Now, because of this, accountability has come, and also wastages we are minimizing. We are able to deal very well. Even so many programs for the last 8 months we have done. Ultimate, my aim is clear. I wanted to use technologies in a big way. Now, you are all aware, Government of India has conceived Digital India program. In that, PM is always emphasizing about Digital India. I wanted to be number one. As on today, existing infrastructure is only important towns and cities. Now I want to take this technology bandwidth to the remote area and also every house. What they are emphasizing today, 100 Mbps for each panchayat. What I am considering, what I am visualizing, by 2.5 years' time, every house should have 20 Mbps bandwidth capacity. Even institutions, I want to go 100 or 1,000 gigabit capacity. On demand, we want to provide everything possible. Even Government of India, for my new proposal, they accepted. That also we are working. If you integrate all these things, this is IGF is very, very important. GF is very important. Geospatial technology is very, very important. Geotagging and also everything, digitalization, how to go about, everything is very important. So I'm very happy this organization is promoting this angle. One is digital technology means automatically we need Aadhaar is very clear. Through Aadhaar, we are having so many advantages. Then automatically geospatial also, this technology is important to integrate GIS, and also then we can go for GPS, everything we can do that. Then real time, anything for that matter, not one issue, anything we can handle. This is where we are. I'm very happy. I'm telling you, we are in advanced stage. We are using all existing technologies available. We are concentrating on infrastructure. We are networking with people and also agencies who are all well-versed on this. And I want to integrate all these things. And we want to create a model for the country on total information technology. Not only Aadhaar account, everything. First time in the country, we have introduced e-cabinet, e-office, and also Aadhaar account. Even everything we are working in that geospatial technology is going to play major role. For this, while coming, I am hearing. Here also, we have to work with the Government of India in a big way. How to go about. We have to do some more research also. And also we have to prepare education in a big way, resources in a big way. Even public-private partnership, we have to work in that direction. There must be some world-class institute also. If you see here, ISB, Fortune 500 companies has created ISB at that time. They wanted to start in Mumbai or Bangalore or in Chennai. Then I telephoned to them. When I telephoned to them, they told me, Hyderabad is not in our agenda. Then I requested them, come to Hyderabad. As a Chief Minister, I am requesting you, have breakfast. Then I will explain to you, then you decide. I am not forcing you. Then they came to Hyderabad. I gave a good breakfast. Then they asked me, what is the incentives you are going to give? I told them, go to Bangalore, go to Mumbai, and also Chennai. What they offer, without asking me, you put +1, send it to me, I will give all the facilities for you. That is what I offered at that time. Then they went different places. They had different experiences. Then they thought this is the best place. Now ISB is in Hyderabad, one of the best business school. Even what I am thinking, your president is here, Narayanan. You have to start all companies together. With the support of Government of India, with the support of Andhra Pradesh, we will create one of the best institute in the world, best school in the world we have to create. For that, we are prepared to extend all the support for you. How to work it out? Even we will discuss with Government of India. These are all the new institutions we have to create. Now, we are going always graduation, post-graduation, universities, but we need universities. And at the same time, we have to create world-class institutions. And also, wherever there are technological changes, we want to take in that direction. Future is for GIS solutions and also data analytics, even data science. And also, these are all the new areas are emerging. Once I thought information technology, today I am thinking future technologies. At that time, I promoted biotechnology, IT, information technology. Today, I am thinking differently. Which are all the future technologies after 5 years or current or even 10 years. That is the technologies we can promote all areas, then we can do wonders. Again, I am requesting you, this is one area regarding your subject, and at the same time, New Andhra Pradesh. I am having a challenge. At the same time, I am having an opportunity to prove myself, what I have to do. Now, there are so many opportunities for you also there. One is 974 kilometer sea coast. This is the biggest advantage there. There we are thinking, we wanted to make this area as a logistics hub for Southeast Asian countries, for gateway for India. We are having excellent ports, deep water ports. Visakhapatnam, 21-meter deep water port, nowhere in the country. Like that, there are excellent ports. We can develop it. And at the same time, we are having so many other advantages also. We are having mineral wealth, water resources, agricultural wealth, and also pharma we can develop, even a petrochemical corridor we can go. These are all the various advantages. For the last 8 months, I have created a vision document now. By 2022, 75 years of independence for the country at that time, I wanted to be #1 among 3 states in the country. By 2029, we wanted to be #1, not only economic indicators, but also happiness indicators. This is where I am introducing new concept, happiness. Recently, we had a very good yoga meeting here, Jaggi Vasudevan, for 3 days. Inner engineering program we had here, that is giving very good results. Now all of us, we are working with machines. Sometimes we have to keep our machine also intact. For that, we need some yoga or some spiritual values, then only we can do better work. Even 7 machines, 5 grids, 5 campaign modes we are taking up. And also I am inviting public-private partnership in all walks of life. we are creating this platform. Even I am thinking, if anybody is here on hardware or electronics, country is very weak in that. Even if you see another 5 years or 6 years time, nearly 200 to 300 billion US dollars worth of hardware and electronics we are going to import, not oil. We are going to pay maximum foreign exchange reserves on electronics, but we can create a policy, we can do wonders on this. Even there, we are using all electronics and also hardware equipment in a big way. You name any device for that matter. We want to make it a model one. Because everybody is thinking if you use this, there will be a cost. And at the same time, if you use this, there will be so much of advantage and also revenue savings. Thereby, you can have better targeting programs. And if you can, in this, I am requesting, anybody is interested to come, we are welcome you. There will be so many ways. Even we can create special purpose vehicles or joint ventures. Even Government of Andhra Pradesh is prepared to work with you by participating not maximum shareholding, with a minimum 20-25% shareholding we will contribute. We will help you. Even ease of doing business, we are very keen. 21 days I am keeping time. Single desk I am creating. All incentives we are giving. Even Government of India, if you see, they are giving excellent incentives. As on today, some incentives they have given. Ultimately, they promised some incentives because of bifurcation. They have kept some incentives, they have to give it. They are going to give. They committed before the Parliament, for Himachal Pradesh or Uttaranchal, they are going to give incentives for new state of Andhra Pradesh. That is what they committed. With this ease of doing business, I am assuring you, 21 days time. Single desk. Anybody is not in a position to give, deemed class we are introducing. All permissions will be given within 21 days. If you apply, it is our responsibility to clear all the clearances, and we will invite you for starting our units here. Water, there is no problem. Power, there is no problem. Even infrastructure-wise, you can see all infrastructure, either road or rail or ship, even port handling, all these things are available. So I am requesting all of you, you come to New Andhra Pradesh, have your own investments, be the partners for the government. We are prepared to help all out, and also all of us has to develop new state. For that, I need all our cooperation. With this, again and again, I am very happy to have participation here. From Delhi, when they told me, this is one of the important sector in information technology. I want to learn from you. I want to have interaction with you. And at the same time, I wanted to promote information technology and also geospatial technology in a big way. Even every day I am asking my Satyanarayana, who is an advisor for us. He worked in information technology for the last 25 years. In the country, in government, nobody worked 25 years. He and another Chandrasekhar now, who is leading NASCOM. He is also from Andhra Pradesh. Both are leading now. Every day I am troubling him how to go about total integration of technologies. That is the work we are doing. I am confident within 4 years' time we will be #1 again in introducing all technologies. For this, we are having Hyderabad now. And at the same time, I am requesting all of you, Visakhapatnam, another city. It is one of the most beautiful city. One side sea. Next to that, there are beautiful hills. One of the most cleanest city, wonderful city. Even weather also, it is very pleasant weather. That is how that city is there. New capital, I am constructing It is an opportunity for me in 21st century to build a new capital. And also now, as on today, it is an innovative way we are going. Land pooling system I introduced. It is a surprise for everybody. As on today, around 18,000 or 19,000 acres of land I am able to get through land pooling. This is the first of its kind in India. I introduced this scheme. It is a win-win situation. One is for government, another is for farmers. For that, there is a good competition. Now, Singapore government came forward to prepare the core capital region master plan. They are working. By June, they are going to submit the plan. You are all aware how Singapore is developed. Now, Japan government is coming forward. They are prepared to prepare master plan details of all the area. And at the same time, they wanted to bring investment in a big way. This is how that city is going. That city is also beautiful city. Krishna River is going. River width is 3 kilometers. Nowhere in the world, I am telling you, this type of a river, perennial river, water is available. There we are going to construct one of the best city for a capital. Even Tirupati, you are all aware, we are having very powerful God, Lord Balaji. Even if you pray him, he will bless you. That is how, as on today, richest God in the world. We are very happy he is in Andhra Pradesh. He will bless all of us to make Andhra Pradesh and also India #1 in the world. That is going to happen with all these things. I request again and again all of you, come to New Andhra Pradesh, be the partners for development. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you, one and all. Anybody wanted to ask any questions, you can ask. You can use it properly. Here.
Sir, I am Dr. Pateria, Director, Punjab Remote Sensing Center. You have any plan for tourism in New Andhra? And what are your vision or what are your plans for that where you can use GIS and Geospatial in totality?
No, tourism is one area. New Andhra Pradesh is the best area for tourism. Why I am saying this? One is, as on today, we are very strong in temple religious tourism. Tirupati alone, every day, minimum 1 lakh people are coming. And also there is a huge demand. Even our God don't have time to bless people. That is the rush every day we are getting. All temples for that matter, one of the best managed temples in the country itself. Now we are having very good places. One is beach tourism, eco-tourism, and also leisure, all these things. We are having excellent places. So we wanted to make all these things. Recently, I have given a detailed action plan. This is one sector, if you see, all of us, at the end of the day, we want to spend some time peacefully. We need good places. As and when economy is improving, there is a lot of demand for tourism. Now, so many people from India, they are going to Singapore, Malaysia, or Dubai, or so many countries. We are having better places than those countries. And also, if we can create all these places, there is a very good economic activity and also employment generation. If you see, small amount of money if you spend, maximum employment we can create, and also maximum returns we can earn through tourism. This is one sector, one major growth engine we are keeping. Best events in the world I am watching, suitable to our culture and also our situation, we are bringing all these things. Even if you see Visakhapatnam, 1.5 hour journey Aruku Valley, one of the beautiful scenic place. Lamsingi, from Visakhapatnam 1 hour or 1.5 hour, 0 degree temperature or less temperature also. That is how beautiful places. You do not go to other summer resorts or Himalayas. If you come Visakhapatnam, stay there comfortably. You want to spend some time, you can go to these places. It is a very good place. We are working on that. Even Visakhapatnam, Greenfield Airport we are working. Even in Vijayawada, one more international airport will come in a Greenfield manner. This is where we are working All these things for the last 8 months I am working. So policies are very clear. Promotion also, I visited Singapore, I visited Japan, Davos, today again, ambassadors I addressed. This is a continuous process we are taking. Even our team is well settled. Any enquiries on tourism, if you are having any better project, you can come back to us. I am following various methods. One is I will call tenders. You can participate. You are having any project, you can come back. Then I can award on Swiss challenge. It is a competitive route. Or otherwise, it is a normal route. Within 21 days, I will get all clearances. You can start the project. This is how we are going. If you are having any particular project, you are welcome. Thank you. Okay.
Good evening, sir. I am Dr. Ram Prasad from National Hydrographic Office, Dehradun. Basically, I am from Vizag only. Sir, in the name of infrastructure development, we have been losing the agricultural land. So, have you taken any or thought about some steps or measures to prevent this agricultural land
No,
and
what I am saying,
the rice bowl of Andhra Pradesh?
you are right. Only problem is we need infrastructure, we need industry, we have to promote service sector, and at the same time, we have to go for agriculture also. In New Andhra Pradesh, we are having some advantages. No other southern state is having this advantage. Government of India, because of bifurcation, they announced Polavaram as a national project. On Godavari, for the last 20 years average, 3,000 TMC of water is going to sea. If you construct that project, and also after that, you can divert that water to Krishna Basin, Penna Basin, even Vamsdara Basin, then Andhra Pradesh will be drought-proof. That is what we are working. Today, we are having only 50 lakh hectares. We can take this irrigation facility, we can irrigate nearly 120 lakh hectares of land, even more than that. So we are going one way, agriculture. This year, if you see, 36% rainfall deficit in Andhra Pradesh. But agriculture growth rate is 11.32% first half year. That is how we have concentrated water management, inputs, and also agriculture. Because of all these things, we are able to do extremely well. Agro processing, I am going, quality, starting with soil testing, up to agro processing, and also marketing, we are concentrating everything. So you need not bother about agriculture. And at the same time, you need more and more employment, more and more quality life. You want quality life, you want more income, then naturally you have to go for industry, you have to go for services, then only we can meet our people's expectations. So both we have to integrate, and also both we have to work simultaneously. That is the job we are doing. More money we are going to spend on agriculture, and at the same time, we have to promote industry and service also. Thank you.
Sir, good evening, sir, and I am Yogendra Babu Sharma from Central Groundwater Board. And I just wanted to have some of the best of your moods in these best moments. And in that way, I would like to know that whether or not do you visualize further potential of IT sectors in New Andhra? Or let me put it more directly, that whether you would like to have another high-tech or Cyberabad in New Andhra?
Certainly, I wanted to promote all these things. Better than Cyberabad city, I want to develop one more city in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam in the near future, one of the best city. And also Vijayawada will be, that is the new capital, will be the modern city in the modern world. We are all talking about smart city. It will be greenfield smart city we are developing. If anybody is having all ideas, you can come. Already Visakhapatnam, if you see, American government accepted to give all support for smart city. Recently, Obama's visit, they have signed. That is one. Even Singapore and Japan, they are working with a new capital. So these are all the advantages we are having. We wanted to build not one city, better than this, 2-3 cities in Andhra Pradesh. That is our aim, that is our goal. But Hyderabad also has to progress, it has to continue. Because we are all Indians, and also especially both the states, Telugu people are staying here. So this is my response. I promoted this area. I want to continue to promote this area for development, so many opportunities. Even countries are developing, even within the country, so many cities are developing. Same spirit we want to work here also.
Sir, I'm Dr. Raju, sir, Engineering Chief, Roads and Buildings Department of Andhra Pradesh, sir. So from the morning, we were waiting for your inspirational talk, sir, and some of the delegates have left because you are not going to come. That was their presumption. Definitely, they are the losers, sir. Now, whatever data and whatever information we have acquired, I'm sure that we will be implementing most of the technologies in the Roads and Buildings Department and in the state government within the next 18 months. And I'm sure we'll bring at least 100 crore savings for the state government, sir. I have worked out the detailed plans, and if you are kind enough, I will try to come and brief you maybe tomorrow or day after, whenever your schedule permits, sir. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you, thank you, Radhikar. We'll meet. You are here, we'll meet, no problem at all. We will use all our innovative ideas in that.
I'm Surya Prakash, sir.
Louder.
Hello. Good evening, sir. This is Surya Prakash from World Resources Institute. We work on the sustainability area. So there is a big opportunity in new Andhra Pradesh, developing the new capital. Is it going to be a new, complete, sustained city, like zero discharge kind of things? No wastage, completely going to sustain its resources, whether in terms of water, power, or wastage. What are your steps in this direction?
That is what I told you. One is Visakhapatnam. Even American government is supporting us for smart city. Smart city means everything will be smart, even energy saving, and also water waste management, how to go, solid waste management, garbage recycling, and also clean city, greenery, and also the energy saving, even green energy, all these things will go in a big way. Even Vijayawada, we are starting new city. It is a greenfield city. Then naturally it must be #1 in the world. All latest technologies we are going to introduce there. That is going to happen. What all you are visualizing, even tomorrow somebody may create something. All these creative ideas we are going to implement in new capital. And at the same time, that new capital will be a people's capital. Every person in Andhra Pradesh will contribute for that capital. And also everybody should feel, this is my city, I contributed, and I built this, I can stay here. That is the philosophy we are taking. We are going to develop in that direction.